Heavy rains in southern New Mexico on Tuesday afternoon caused severe flash flooding, sweeping away homes, forcing water rescues and closing roads, officials said.
Here comes something big. Right by that.
The National Weather Service issued a flash flood emergency for the area around the village of Ruidoso, which was devastated by last year's wildfires. There were no immediate reports of deaths, said Carrie Gladden, a spokesperson for the village of Ruidoso, on Tuesday afternoon. Three people were hospitalized and were in stable condition as of Tuesday evening, said a spokesperson at Presbyterian Lincoln County Medical Center. Emergency responders rescued people from rushing waters and those trapped in their homes. He said it was unclear how many rescues had been performed. A dangerous situation is occurring in Ruidoso, the National Weather Service said in a statement on social media. The flash flood emergency remains in effect. Seek higher ground now. Do not attempt to drive through floodwaters. The current will sweep your vehicle away. The extent of the damage is not yet known, Gladden said. Areas along the Rio Ruidoso River, extending to Ruidoso Downs and Glencoe, were among the hardest hit, he said. Jennifer Shoemake, a meteorologist with the National Weather Service in Albuquerque, said more than 2.5 inches have fallen in the area ravaged by last year's South Fork fire. Preliminary data from flood sensors operated by the United States Geological Survey shows that the Rio Ruidoso River's level at 1 gauge in Ruidoso, New Mexico, rose from about 16 inches 40 centimeters at 3 p.m. local time to more than 20 feet 6 meters less than an hour later. The water level began dropping again shortly thereafter.